Right, picture this. It's a warm summer's morning in the roaring 20s and the seaside's already buzzing. The sun's just peeking over the horizon, waves gently rolling in, and there's that fresh, salty air hitting you straight away. Proper lovely, honestly. You got motors pulling up one after another, families piling out with all their bits, chairs, baskets, parasols, the whole lot. Blokes in rolled-up trousers hauling stuff across the sand like it's nothing, while the ladies are fixing their hats, making sure they look spot on. Can't be looking rough, can you? Before long, the beach is absolutely packed. Kids are already going mad, building sand castles like tiny architects, chucking sand everywhere, not a care in the world. You got a few cheeky seagulls flying about, trying their luck for a snack, proper little thieves they are. Over by the shoreline, couples are having a slow wander, feet in the water, trousers rolled up, dresses swaying in the breeze. It's all a bit romantic, innit? Meanwhile, a group of flapper girls have gathered under a big striped umbrella, laughing their heads off, gossiping away like there's no tomorrow. And listen closely, you'll hear it, that crackly sound of a gramophone spinning somewhere nearby. A tune kicks in, and next thing you know, people are having a little dance right there on the sand. No big stage, no fuss, just vibes, pure vibes.
There's a bloke pushing an ice cream cart, ringing a little bell, and suddenly everyone's queuing up. Kids with sticky fingers, faces lit up like it's the best thing they've ever had. Simple pleasures, yeah, but they hit different. Out in the water, a few brave souls are having a dip, splashing about, while the lifeguard's up in his wooden tower, keeping an eye on things like a proper boss. Safety first, even back then. As the day rolls on, the sun starts dipping lower, casting that golden glow across everything. People slow down a bit now, some laying back, others just watching the waves like they've got nowhere else to be. Time feels different here, slower, calmer. Then comes the sunset. Oh, mate, it's something else. The sky lights up in oranges and pinks, silhouettes of people strolling along the shore. It's like a film, but it's real life. You can't help but just stop and take it all in. As night creeps in, a small bonfire gets going. People gather round, chatting, laughing, maybe even singing a bit. The day's winding down, but no one's in a rush to leave. Why would you be? And just like that, the beach starts to empty out. The waves keep rolling, same as they always have, like none of it ever happened, but it did. A proper day by the seaside, 1920 style. Simple, lively, and full of life. And now, thanks to this restored footage, you get to see it all like it was yesterday. Mad, isn't it?